So when we have culture, we run that, I would suggest, on values, beliefs, rituals, customs, goals, concerns, and signals, which is quite a big model.
Yeah.
But let's stick with the first part of that, values. Values are what we believe are most important.
Yeah.
So there's what I think, there's lots of stuff in the universe, and there's stuff that I think is most important. And there's stuff that you think is most important. Now, if you think what's most important is what I think is most important, we'll have a very similar value system.
Right.
And we'll get along. We won't even know we're getting along.
Right.
It's just like, this is a good guy.
Yeah.
You know, it's like I give you a task and you're doing it in much the same way as I do it because we hold the same values.
To the point where communication doesn't even need to be multilateral.
No, if our values match, we probably won't even need to discuss it.
Yeah.
Right.
You'll do stuff in the way that I expected stuff to be done. But when the values don't match and you've got a task to do and you start doing it a certain way and I start going, what the hell is he doing?
Right, right.
And what's he doing?
Yeah.
And I come up to you and I go, why are you doing it like that? And you go, because that's the way it should be done. And I'm like, no. Yeah. And so we start having an argument about the way it's being done, but we don't have a conversation about the values.
Yes.
The values is why you're doing the action, how you're doing it.
Yeah.
And if I was to understand your values, and I don't need to agree with them, if we're to get along, I just need to accept them and go, oh, I see. So you think X is important. I don't think that's so important, but that's okay. I get that you think it's important. I know that you'll get the job done eventually. You're just going to do it via this value system. Totally get it. Love what you're doing. You know, or I might go, I find it really hard to watch you doing it like that.
Yeah.
But I understand it.
Yeah.
So I'll just stay out of this. You know, but the wars happen when I don't investigate the value system.
Exactly.
If I do, I go, well, you shouldn't, that's not what you should value.
Yeah.
And you go, well, but I value that. And my grandmother valued that, and the greatest boss I ever had valued that, and my country values that. And so, if you wanna have a go, come on.
Yeah.